In this tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at Teachflow's Google Classroom integration, which will allow you to sync your classes between Teachflow and Google Classroom. Step 1 is to connect your Google account. Step 2 is to sync the Google classes with Teachflow. Step 3 is to export Teachflow classes to Google Classroom. And step 4 is to review and finalize the integration. So let's dive in. Let's click on Get Started. We will be prompted to connect our Google account. Here, we allow Teachflow AI to access our Google Classroom assets, so we're able to see the courses and students within Google Classroom. Now moving to step 2, our goal is to map and import Google Classrooms into Teachflow. We can see here that the only class we have in Google Classroom is Math 1-on-1, and we can confirm this by going to Google Classroom. I have a single classroom, and if I come to people, I can see that I have a single student. Now the options that I have here is to import the Math 1-on-1 to Teachflow as a new class. I can map to an existing class within the app, or I have the option to not import it at all. What I'm going to do here is to import it as a new class. And we can choose to sync students as well, which means that the student that I had enrolled in the Google Classrooms class, the Math 1-on-1, will be imported to Teachflow as well. Let's proceed to step 3. On step 3, we have the option to export classes from Teachflow to Google Classrooms. I have my class here within the app, which is Physics 101, and I have 2 export methods. I can either export the Teachflow class completely, or I can choose not to export it at all. And I can choose to sync students. We are importing Math 1-on-1 from Google Classrooms, and we are exporting Physics 1-on-1 to Google Classrooms. So let's finalize and sync the classes. Now we can come to classes and see the class that we've created, Math 101, and we can see that the students were synced as well. And we can go back to Google Classroom and see the class that we've exported from Teachflow, which is Physics 101. I can accept this. And now I can see that since I've chosen to sync the students, my student was invited to join Physics 101 on Google Classrooms as well. So we've reached the end of the Google Classroom tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.